How to change your iPhone lock screen apps. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to change the apps on your iPhone lock screen with iOS 18. So step 1, install iOS 18 beta. First, go to your Safari and then type developer.apple.com. Scroll down and tap iOS 18. Hit download, then agree to the terms and submit. Now, go to Settings, Software Update, then select iOS 18 Public Beta and download it. So once downloaded, you can now customize your lock screen apps. And to do this, hold down on your lock screen and tap Customize. Select lock screen, then tap on the app icons and change them to whatever apps that you want. And that's it. Now you can swap out lock screen apps easily with iOS 18. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.